Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you another idea how you can level the wood subfloor with concrete self-leveling compound. So before I showed you, we have to use for Mapei products T primer. This primer very good when you doing leveling over the wood subfloor, but if it's too much holes, like in this floor. Why so many holes? Because here was a nail down installation before, and the guys when remove it all old floor, they chipping out some plywood, and what's it's really bad now. And if we use only T primer, we have to fill up all cracks, all holes, and for this situation very good Planipatch. But for better bonding Planipatch with wood subfloor, better use Planipatch Plus. This is acrylic. I would say for just simple, this is like primer, you know. But this acrylic you have to add to the Planipatch when you mixing, not like a primer you have to put to the wood subfloor. So when I mix the Planipatch, I add Planipatch Plus. How much you have to add, you can read on the package, and then you just with white trowel to slightly add to the wood subfloor this Planipatch. What kind of benefits we have? So first benefit, we fill up all holes and fill up all chipping out of plywood. So and floor getting more even. Another feature, the Planipatch dry very fast. So approximately it took around from 45 minutes to 1 hour to getting ready to do leveling. So for me it was very good, because I'm doing leveling now on main floor. There is 2000 square feet, and I need prepare so many rooms. And also I'm not do leveling for whole rooms. Some rooms it's really good, just so many holes in chipping out of wood. So for me easy to put Planipatch, and I will save glue when I will be glue down floor, because you know Planipatch it's much more cheaper than glue. So what's happened in this room? In this entrance, the hallway in front of this room higher and ½ inch, and I can't make the same level in this room, because from left side of this entrance we have a bathroom where already installed tiles, and I can't raise so much floor up, because if I make it level with other rooms, subfloor will be even with tile. In this case I am using straight edge to make sloping. So how it's work? So sloping should be made with 8 or 10 feet straight edge. So I will use 10 feet straight edge. Why? Because the longest sloping not very visible. So but before to use 10 feet straight edge, I am using 6 feet straight edge. So better make small sloping, nice transition like what I am doing now, and then make with 10 feet straight edge. It's gonna be very nice and slightly down, and it's not visible. So if you don't know about it, you can see it. So This job I did on this Friday. On Monday, when it's getting dry, I will use 10 feet straight edge. So this is a small example how I'm using Planipatch and how I did leveling after I apply Planipatch to the wood subfloor. So don't forget put when Planipatch dry, don't forget put primer over this Planipatch for better bonding self-leveling compound with Planipatch, like I did. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I hope this video will help you in the future projects. See you on next video.